channel, Amazing World of Archee. Today I'm back with another video, especially for the fans of Dogman and from the latest Dogman book, Fetch 22 by Dav Pilkey. This time it is about the Flip-o-ramas from the book Fetch 22. Before I begin, I'd like to give a huge thanks to Teacher Talks Dogman for supporting me and promoting my channel. I hope you watch and like this video, and so do the Doggers crew. So let's begin. There are 5 Flip-o-ramas in the book. The first Flip-o-rama comes in the chapter 3, The Discovery. In this Flip-o-rama, little Petey actually shows a Flip-o-rama to Petey, his dad, introducing Flip-o-rama. Stage 1, Anger, Ant versus Ant, 11:15 a.m. Stage 2, Angrier, Ant versus Beetle, 11:17 a.m. Stage 3, Super Anger, Ant versus Kid with Magnifying Glass, 11:30 a.m. The second one, actually called a Flip-o-rama, and comes in chapter 5, a bunch of stuff that happened next. Here it goes. The third one is in chapter 6, Boggy Mactree Face. Punching here and there, smashing everywhere. Now it's Flip-o-rama time. Do it! Flippity flip flip, slappity slap, look at Barky punch. Flippity flip flip, kickity kick. He'll eat you up for lunch. The fourth one is in chapter 8, The Fetcher in the Sky. Flip like there's no tomorrow. The last one is in the chapter 13, The Final Betrayal, ADHD's Beauty Salon. That's all for the time being, folks. Hope you like this video and check out my other videos on Fetch 22 and other latest books. Please stay tuned to my channel, Amazing World of Archee, and in case you have not subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Have a nice weekend, friends. Bye for now.